Welcome to Simple Review. Today, we are discussing one of the most popular electric cars in the world, the Tesla Model 3. In this review, we'll explore its design, performance, features, and pricing details. Tesla Model 3 comes in three variants. Entry-level variant, long-range rear-wheel drive, expected to be priced at 50 lakh rupees, delivers 552 km range, and it produces 283 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque, and it can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in 5 seconds. Has a top speed of 200 km per hour. Mid-variant, long-range all-wheel drive, expected to be priced at 55 lakh rupees, provides a 534 km range, generates 450 horsepower and 493 Nm of torque, accelerates from 0 to 100 km in 4.2 seconds, and also has a similar top speed of 200 km per hour. Top of the line variant, performance all-wheel drive, expected to be priced at 60 lakh rupees, delivers 479 km range, produces 510 horsepower and 660 Nm of torque, clocks 0 to 100 km in just 2.9 seconds, and reaches a top speed of 262 km per hour. Here is a quick overview of all the variants' pricing details. Tesla Model 3 stands out with its minimalist and aerodynamic design, featuring a smooth, elegant body shape. It comes with full LED headlights and a stylish 18-inch alloy wheels. Additionally, the flush door handles contribute to the car's aerodynamic efficiency while adding a premium touch. Inside, the Model 3 offers an ultra-modern cabin dominated by a 15-inch touchscreen at the center. Unlike traditional cars, Tesla has eliminated physical buttons, integrating all controls such as air conditioning, music, and navigation into the touchscreen interface. The spacious rear seats, frameless glass roof, rear display, and flat footboard enhance the passenger comfort, making long journeys more enjoyable. Tesla Model 3 is packed with cutting-edge technology. It includes Autopilot, a semi-autonomous driving system that features adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking. For those seeking even more automation, the full self-driving option offers traffic sign recognition, automatic lane changes, and parking assist features, gives amazing travel experience. Check out the specifications of different variants over the screen. Charging the Tesla Model 3 is fast and efficient. Using a Tesla supercharger for 15 minutes, it will deliver up to 300 km of range. For home charging, a Tesla wall connector takes approximately 7 to 10 hours for a full charge. Here are a few pros and cons of the vehicle. Tesla Model 3 is a game changer in the electric vehicle segment. It offers exceptional performance, innovative technology, and environmental benefits while maintaining a luxurious and comfortable experience. If you are looking for an electric sedan that is fast, intelligent, and future-ready, the Model 3 is an excellent choice. Tesla Model 3 is available in 6 stunning color options, allowing buyers to choose a style that suits their preference. That's all in today's review. Let me know which vehicle should I review next. Drop your suggestions in the comments. For more detailed reviews, comparisons, and expert recommendations, stay tuned to Simple Review.